Imagine holding a camera that intentionally hides its own rear screen, forces you to slow down, and mimics the tactile friction of a 40-year-old film camera, yet contains a cutting-edge sensor that can out-resolve most modern professional setups. Fujifilm has officially broken the tech mold once again with the release of the X-Pro 4. For years, the mainstream camera industry has been trapped in a boring, clinical race for sterile perfection. Every manufacturer is building the same black plastic blocks that look like computers with lenses attached. But Fujifilm took a step back, looked at their legacy, and doubled down on absolute romance, nostalgia, and tactical design. They resurrected their most controversial, cult classic rangefinder lineup and packed it with a fifth-generation sensor architecture that turns everyday photography into a deeply artistic, almost spiritual experience. The global photography community is in absolute chaos over this release. Street photographers are calling it the ultimate purist machine, documentary filmmakers are losing their minds over the unique color science, and mainstream tech reviewers are scratching their heads wondering why a brand would deliberately build a camera that defies modern ergonomic standards. But beneath the tidal wave of aesthetic hype and nostalgic charm, a massive question remains. Is the X-Pro for a flawless masterpiece that saves the soul of modern photography? Or is it a calculated, overly expensive gimmick designed to exploit your nostalgia while hiding severe functional limitations? To discover the truth, we have to look past the beautiful titanium top plates and analyze exactly what happens when you take this modern anomaly into the gritty, fast-paced reality of the field. The moment your fingers touch the top deck of the X-Pro 4, you realize this is not a device built for mass-market conformity. Fujifilm has retained the stunning, retro-futuristic rangefinder silhouette, using premium, scratch-resistant coatings over a lightweight, incredibly rugged magnesium and titanium chassis. Feels dense, mechanical, and serious. But the crown jewel of the X-Pro series has always been its legendary hybrid viewfinder. And in the X-Pro 4, Fujifilm has pushed this technology to a baffling level of sophistication. With a flick of a front-facing lever, you can instantly switch between a pure, lag-free optical window that lets you see outside the frame of your shot, and a hyper-detailed electronic viewfinder that shows you exactly how your sensor is seeing the light, exposure, and color. It gives you the best of both worlds. The organic, undelayed connection to reality of a classic Leica, paired with the computational assistance of a modern mirrorless powerhouse. But the most polarizing, brilliant, and frustrating aspect of this camera is its philosophy of hidden technology. Fujifilm has once again embraced the hidden LCD design. When the screen is closed, all you see on the back of the camera is a tiny, retro status display showing your current film simulation, ISO, and white balance, mimicking the little cardboard box top street photographers used to slide into the back of their analog bodies to remember what film they were shooting. It forces your eyes away from menu diving and image chimping, pushing you to look at the world around you, anticipate the moment, and trust your instincts. If you want to review your image or adjust deep system settings, you have to physically flip the screen down. It is an intentional speed bump designed to break your smartphone-induced dopamine loop, transforming photography from an act of thoughtless digital consumption into a craft of mindful